Hey you guys, it's Nina B back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my process of how I clean my synthetic hair. I'm going to have some Fulani braids installed. So I'm just showing you the process. It's pretty quick and easy. So let's get straight into it. So I'm soaking my synthetic braiding hair in my Home Depot bucket, don't judge me, in cold water. And then I apply about a cup of apple cider vinegar in the hair. I noticed it took me about an hour to see the residue come off the synthetic hair. I've seen a lot of people say 30 minutes or so, but it took about an hour. So I suppose that the time range is seeing that residue come off the hair does vary. It took about an hour for me. After the hour, I rinsed it out by just squeezing the hair. I didn't twist the hair or wring the hair out because I didn't want to mess up the hair. After that, I soaked it back in some cold water. I applied some Aussie Moist conditioner for the smell and just to soften the hair a little bit. I let that soak for about 25 minutes, wrung it out. Then I hand dry the hair. The next day, it was pretty dry, and then I was able to install my braids the day after. So just showing you this quick process. Enjoy the video. Until next time, please like, subscribe, share the video. Until next time, see you guys. Peace.